What if I told you there are giant machines in the middle of the ocean that can drill deep into the earth and extract oil from miles below? These are offshore oil rigs, and they are some of the most incredible structures ever built by humans. Offshore oil rigs are massive platforms built in the ocean, designed to drill beneath the seabed and extract petroleum. Some of these structures are so large, they can house hundreds of workers, almost like floating cities in the middle of nowhere. The process starts with drilling. A powerful drill bit slowly cuts through layers of rock beneath the ocean floor. This can go several kilometers deep until it reaches underground oil reserves. Once oil is found, it is pumped up through pipes to the surface platform. But here's the crazy part. Many of these rigs actually float on water. They use advanced engineering systems to stay stable even during massive waves and storms. Some rigs are anchored to the seabed, while others use dynamic positioning systems to stay in place. Working on an oil rig is extremely dangerous. Workers face harsh weather, heavy machinery, and the constant risk of explosions or oil leaks. Yet thousands of people work on these rigs every day. Offshore oil rigs play a crucial role in powering the modern world. From fuel to plastic, much of what we use every day starts deep beneath the ocean, hidden in the middle of the sea. These giant structures quietly keep the world running